Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
No, 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 the kid is not a bad doctor.
What's it called? Ten skin. Okay. Oh. Okay. Yeah, it's hard wax, so. Pull right here. See, I know that's not the worst part.
Right.
So,
This is the easy part.
yeah. Be like. So. Yeah. Woo! But yours look really good, your lashes.
So you got that done abroad as well?
Yes.
Alright, and okay, pull right here. I know it might be painful for you. I know how waxing feels, so I wax myself too.
You wax yourself. Oh,
Yeah, it's more painful. Ready?
just do it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, the painful.
Oh, your rings are cute.
Thank you.
Which part is more painful for you though? Which part is more painful for you?
This part?
Majority of people say the one at the lip area.
Yeah.
Some persons say the area is like more painful. Some
Oh,
persons give the peak right here.
I can't really remember. But we'll see. I think for me, the most painful part is where you are right now.
Down here?
Yeah.
Alright, with your hand. Right here. Ready?
Yeah, ready.
Tell me when your hands are break, you hear?
Yeah.
Put it nice and tight. Alright.
That was actually painful. was painful. It's further in. I already feel like it's gonna hurt.
Going in?
Going in.
Hurt? Bad, bad?
Not bad. Like I can go through it. Yo, my vagina just got. Oh my god.
Alright, so I'm gonna go inside now.
Oh my god. Okay. And then the thing is, I have to do it again.
Alright, pull over here. Ready for inside?
Yep. Doesn't take long.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Definitely then the outer part is the worst, because that, yeah. Wow. Overtime.
Alright, I'm over here.
I can't believe the French created this and they did. I'm like freaky as people, but that's a stereotype when it comes to sex that the French are the
Yeah.
freakiest.
Sometimes when I'm not thinking like,
Right? I was watching actually a who have to do like who, let's say they have like 3rd-degree burns and they,
skin wrap.
yeah, it's like wow, remove the skin from your back and
Ready?
yeah.
That need to bad.
I felt that one. Mm. At least I'm not crying.
Yeah.
I'm happy about that.
Alright, I'm over here. Like scream. Not scream, but give me something funny to that.
Yeah, she wanted to laugh at me.
I kind of figured, like, you cannot talk.
I am tough. Again, on the other side.
Ready?
Yeah.
You would cry. I would cry. Let it cry.
Have to be- part is actually not. I don't know why is it not so. Why doesn't it hurt that much? But it's much thinner, so you think.
You don't have much hairs.
Oh, that makes sense.
So that could be. And the hairs on the inside are not as thick as the
That's true.
I mean, the pain will hurt.
Jesus. No one don't want to feel different.
Yeah. Just have to be that here. Yeah.
No, that one felt different.
It looked painful. It's a lot of big hair. I'm wondering because my hair thicker than yours, I think.
Is it? Yeah, your hair is thicker than mine.
Is it thicker or is it longer more?
No, you're gonna trim it. You trim it before you come.
Of course, but like,
I think. Do you have?
I don't actually think the hair on Michelle kind of cute, you know. Yours laid down? It's not laid, but it's just like it looks nice and you know it look.
I'll take a look later. You shave? You shave?
Yeah, sometimes.
No, but you shave.
Shave
You shaved recently?
Yeah, because it's a beach thing. So I'm not in here now.
Oh, when you grow back. Yeah.
Yeah, we're not here now.
You know.
Your hair take long to grow back? Mine? No, it grew quick.
So quick.
Blue eyes.
In my blue eyes?
Yeah. My blue eyes.
Well,
It's
I'm
not like
older people, eye color
So,
tend to.
I'm wondering if it's something like that, but
Yeah.
it's just a good dark Indian man. Slim. So you never normally you didn't have blue eyes before? I don't know.
She
I
don't
didn't
know
pray him for too long, so it's like he had it from I know him. He had like a little tint of blue.
It's so weird how much grandparents we can all have. Like I have my grandparents on my father's side, on my mom's side, and then you have your grandparents on your father's side.
Really, four we can have the most.
Alright, whatever. You get what
Yeah,
I'm
but
saying.
you can have like a bunch of them just stuck up stuff.
But I was talking, not individually, but like with all our cousins. Like Malik have heard separate
Yeah.
set of grandparents. So you get me?
Yes,
Yeah, I'm trying to see my husband. Need to stop. We need to ban shaming. The ban plastic ban. We just need to ban shaming.
Your cheek will be good in that angle.
Thank you.
You're doing great, sweetie.
Thanks, Chris. Right.
I get nervous on the device.
And just like that, the pin's gone. You're going to come before I leave. I have to see you.
I know you're gonna find somewhere and make sure that come.
I'm making fun of it. It does feel soothing. Alright, not gonna show you the butt part because that's, well, I wasn't gonna show you the butt part, but I'm gonna do the butt part and then I'll talk to you guys after. So, oh no, I'm there. Need my wig to look good though. Stop making faces. I'm done, yeah. You get the point.
Wait You're Rev. Some different type of sitting. 6. Yeah. Serious.
church, dog. Oh, oh.